Houston, Atlanta. Hey, good morning. Y'all know what we're doing? Let's do the twist. Let's get it going on. We do motivation, sales motivation. I'm so happy that you all have come today. We are entrepreneurs. We are the peculiar people. Take advantage of the situation that I'm going to throw down, the tools that I'm going to give you that will empower you to go to the next economic level. So the spiritual foundation of everything I'm going to teach you today is based on the principle: you reap what you sow. Everything I'm going to teach you today is based on that principle. That God will take care of his people.